provided that the amount of such compensation awarded shall not exceed 70% of the amount of fine imposed, full stop. In addition to the imposition of fines under section 11 or section 12, the commission may, if it is satisfied that the designated officer or the appellate authority, as the case may be, has failed to discharge the duties assigned to him under the act without sufficient or reasonable cause, recommend disciplinary action against him under the relevant law and the rules for the time being in force, full stop. Provided that while prescribing the policy, the government may, amongst other things, to acknowledge the services to good performers and promote the culture of efficient and timely service delivery, also prescribe and approve cash rewards for the best performers, full stop. New paragraph. The appellate authority shall, while deciding an appeal under section 6 of the act, have the same powers as are vested in the civil code under the code of civil procedure in respect of the following matters requiring the production and inspection of documents, issuing summons for hearing to the designated officer and the appellant, requisitioning any public records or copies thereof from any government office, levying of fine or compensation upon the concerned designated officer to pay compensation, directing the designated officer to pay compensation to the eligible person, and any other matter which may be prescribed by the rules, full stop. On imposition of fine under section 11 or section 12, the appellate authority or the commission, full stop. New paragraph. As the case may be, by order, direct that a portion of such fine imposed, as it may deem fit, be awarded to the aggrieved person as compensation, full stop. The government shall, by notification in the official gazette, establish an independent commission to be known as the Punjab Right to Public Services Commission, to exercise the jurisdiction, powers and authority conferred under the Act, including hearing appeals against the orders of the appellate authority, making provisions of speedy access of public services in accordance with the provisions of the Act, and payment of compensation for delayed delivery of public service by any designated officer to the eligible person, full stop.